In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable Cloudflare on a website. Before we begin, a quick note on what this action does. Disabling or pausing Cloudflare stops Cloudflare from proxying and accelerating your traffic, which means visitors will connect directly to your origin server. This is useful for troubleshooting or when you need to see your site exactly as it behaves without Cloudflare's caching, security, or performance features. Just remember that while Cloudflare is paused, your site may load more slowly and won't have Cloudflare's protection. Start by opening your Cloudflare account and signing into your dashboard. Make sure you're in the right account if you manage multiple sites. Once you're in, look for the domain you want to work with and click on that specific domain. This takes you to the site's controls where you can manage its settings. Now focus on the navigation panel. On the left side, you'll see a section labeled Advanced Actions. Within that section, look for the option called Pause Cloudflare. That is the control that disables Cloudflare for this domain. When you click it, you'll typically be asked to confirm that you want to proceed. Confirming will pause Cloudflare's proxy and features for the site, allowing requests to go straight to your server. If you don't see the Pause Cloudflare option, don't worry. In cases where a site is using what's called a partial setup, this button may not be visible. That usually means Cloudflare isn't fully proxying your traffic, so the pause control isn't applicable in that view. It's normal to not see it in that scenario. After you click Pause Cloudflare, give it a moment to take effect. Changes are usually quick, but allow a little time for everything to update. Then test your website in a fresh browser window or an incognito session so you're not seeing a cached version. You should notice that Cloudflare-specific features, like certain caching or security rules, are no longer influencing your site. A couple of final tips as you check your results. If you use any performance or security monitoring tools, expect their readings to shift because traffic is now direct to your origin. Also, coordinate with your team so everyone knows Cloudflare is paused, especially if you're investigating an issue. That helps avoid confusion while you test. And that's it. You opened your Cloudflare account, selected the correct domain, and used the Advanced Actions area on the left to pause Cloudflare. This straightforward approach lets you quickly disable Cloudflare when you need a clear, unfiltered view of your website.